Hi, I'm Wes, and today in the Slumber Yard, we're going to do a review of the Lull Mattress. Now, the Lull Mattress has made its rounds on the social medias as influencers seem to love this bed. So if you're interested in this all-foam mattress, you'll definitely want to stick around because in this video, we're going to cover everything that you need to know about this bed, including the policies, things that it'll come with, construction, so what this bed is made of. We'll talk about feel, we'll talk about firmness, we'll talk about a couple things for couples to consider if you happen to be sharing the bed. We'll touch on price, and then at the very end, I'll try to have a final verdict for you so you can decide whether or not this is the right mattress for you. See, over here at the Slumber Yard, we've reviewed over 200 beds and counting. So our goal is to basically help you find the mattress that you're gonna end up sleeping on that you're gonna enjoy. So without further ado, let's talk about the Lull Mattress.
Boom, 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 boom. Let's talk about beds at the Slumber Yard. Let's talk about beds at the Slumber Yard.
All right out of the gate, let's talk about the Lull Policies, what this bed will come with if you do decide to order it. And just a little disclaimer, Lull did send us this bed for free to review and tell you guys about it. But if you order it, you're basically gonna get completely free shipping. Once the bed is in your possession, you get a 365-night trial period. That's your chance to test the bed out in your own home and decide whether or not you wanna keep the bed. And if you don't, for whatever reason, you get completely free returns. But if you do end up keeping the Lull mattress, you get a lifetime warranty with this bed, which is above and beyond the typical policies that we see for mattresses. If you need any more information about the Lull policies or warranties, check down below in the description. We'll try to have some helpful links for you down there. But now let's get into the construction. What is this bed made of? Lull is a 3-layer all-foam mattress, and at the bottom you'll find a dense layer of support foam, then a transition layer, and then on top you'll have some memory foam. In terms of feel, this gives the bed a mixed or blended foam feel. Even though there is memory foam used as the main comfort layer, it's not going to be overwhelming. You know, we kind of think of it as having a neutral foam feel with a hint of memory foam. Overall, Lull is just a nice all foam bed that's pretty accommodating to many sleepers out there, but which sleepers will it be best for? Well, to answer that, I definitely want to touch on how firm the bed will be. And in terms of our firmness scale, we would place it right at about a medium, meaning it'll work for all sleeper types, back, stomach, side, and combination. Just remember that the firmness scale is subjective, so the larger you are, you might find beds to be a little softer, and if you're a little smaller, you might find beds to be a little firmer. And of course, if you're average, you'll find this bed to be a medium like we say. If you happen to be extra large, you might want to get a bed with pocketed coils just because those provide a little bit more long-term support and durability for the really bigger body types. Just something to keep in mind. But before I get on to the rest of this review, I just want to touch on our monthly mattress giveaway club. It's a club, you get a membership card, and you win a free bed potentially. There's no membership cards yet, but we're working on that.
Oh.
If you want to figure out how you can become eligible to win potentially a brand new queen size bed, check down below in the description where all the details will be for you. But now let's get back into this Lull mattress review and talk about a couple things that couples might want to consider if you happen to be sharing the bed. And the first one has to do with motion isolation. So what is motion isolation? Well, this has to do with how well a bed absorbs cross mattress movement. And in terms of Lull, it actually performs pretty good. We don't see any issues of you waking up if your partner gets up in the middle of the night. And that's basically due to the fact that it's an all foam bed. Since it is an all foam bed though, edge support, which has to do with how sturdy the sides of the mattress are, it's not the best out there. In general, all foam beds don't perform the absolute best in this category, and Lull is definitely not the worst we've ever seen either. So it's just something to keep in mind if you really like to sleep on the very edges of the mattress. But of course, you know, it's not the worst we've ever seen. Now, in terms of price, I want to touch on this because you want to know how much you're going to be paying for the Lull mattress if you do decide to get it. And before I reveal the price to you, I just want to say that mattress brands change their pricing all the time. Sometimes we look and it's a lower price or a higher price, but we always usually do have some discount codes, so apply those to get the best price. But in terms of Lull, for a queen size, it's around $1,050 MSRP. But if you do use that discount code, it'll be around $800. Again, check down below in the description. That's where you'll find those discount codes. And then you can be saving some money on your brand new Lull mattress. But now I need to get into the final verdict and address who is this bed best for and who should ultimately get this mattress. Well, I would suggest the Lull mattress for anyone looking for an all foam bed with a mixed foam feel. You like the sound of those consumer-friendly policies, and you want a bed that's affordable. Again, check down below in the description to save some money on this bed, and you can get a great price on it. But that's basically the story with Lull. It was a pretty short video, and I hope I helped you out. If that's the case, feel free to give me a thumbs up, and the rest of our team, we really appreciate it. If you like this video and you want to learn more about all the beds that we happen to review on this channel, check down below in the description, subscribe to the channel, go to our website. There's so many things for you to do if you want to learn more about beds. But I'm going to get out of here, and for the rest of the Slumber Yard team, my name's Wes, wishing you a good night's sleep.